we're talking about dishes midday. I think I could do a whole year of what to do in the kitchen. So we'll see how long it takes for these messages to sink in. If you don't know me, my name is Clarice Purpleford, and my lipstick's a day old today, and we're a little tired. But the lesson: when the dishwasher says clean, any dishes you have, load them. When the dishwasher's full, start it. Here we go. Lovely dishwasher. You may be able to see Prince Humperdinck enjoying the dish loading process. This brings him joy. So you'll notice we've got rungs open. Plastic light stuff goes on top. Cups. Another plastic lid. Got some bowls. You may have gathered we're not perfectionists here, boys, but we do like to get stuff done. All the plates, stack them in a row. Oh, excuse me, multitasking as usual. All right. More glasses. You know, you can have more than one drawer open at once. Do it. It's good. Oh, good. All right. Most knives at this house, boys, do not go in the dishwasher, but you know the couple that do. Any chef knives need to be washed by hand. But I'm finding all of my family's breakfast dishes in the sink. Oh, thankfully they're filled with water. That's another thing. You have a bowl of cereal, and you can't put it in the dishwasher, or you're not putting it in the dishwasher right away. Fill it with water. That way, it doesn't get hard to the edge, and then the dishwasher can't even get it clean. Plates. Dishes. You know, working to teach some common sense here. Sometimes it's not so common. I get that. Whoa, my dishwasher's a little janky. It's not completely full. There may be a few more dishes that come throughout the day, but the big load of the day is going to be with dinner. So since we're mostly full, I would say 7/8 full, we're going to run the dishwasher. If the dishwasher's dirty, load it. If it's full or mostly full, and the next big thing we need to do is a meal, run the dishwasher. Thank you. This has been a fun episode for me. I really feel like I'm helping your mama out, boys. So, and Prince Humperdinck is really enjoying this one too. Ta-ta for now. Oh, I almost forgot. In line with number 2, when we're done, whenever you finish loading the dishwasher, if you see the counters are messy, wipe them up. These have got junk on them. Somebody made ramen. There's ramen salt. There's some gunk I don't know. So guess what? Dishwasher's full. I'm gonna rinse out the sinks. I'm gonna wipe down the counter. This is what we do every time, boys. Remember, every time. That's not gonna fit. All right. Rinse out the sink. Rinse it out. Push it all the way down. Look it. We have a scrubby brush if you need to. Scrub stuff that's stuck. Scrub it. Scrub it. Scrub and swish. If you're fortunate to have enough to have a garbage disposal, run it. Run that stuff down so it doesn't stink later. Look it, I'm rinsing out the rag I'm going to use to wipe the countertops. It actually smells pretty good. If they're stinky, you know what we can do? We can throw them down to the laundry and get a new one. We have clean rags all the time. We don't wipe down messy counters with dirty rags. All the countertops. I feel so much better, and you will too.